As you all saw that with every little step we take, and if we all get together, we can really bring that change in the society, and we can really help somebody and change their lives. These people have no other support, and they are, dependent on us for help with respect to such things. And if we can only give a bit, if we can only do our bit towards this society, we can really help everyone during this crisis. And I know you all are already doing it, but then I would still request you to spread it further so that we can reach 500 families in the next few weeks, so that we can reach 500 families in the next few weeks. If you also keep checking this space, because I'm going to be sharing more videos of this particular campaign. I'm going to be keeping you updated with respect to how we are taking this campaign further. And also please keep checking this space to see as to how we are taking this campaign further. I'm going to be keeping you updated with respect to this campaign through these videos. So please keep checking these. I will keep you updated with the progress of this particular campaign through these videos. So please check this space for more videos in future, in the coming weeks. And I hope to get the same kind of support and more support from you guys. Thank you so much. You are really making a difference in the society. And that's what we say at Upasana Society, making a difference, one step, making a difference. You are really making a difference. You're really making a difference in the society, and that's what we say at Upasana Society, making a difference one step at a time. Let's do it, guys. Also, you can follow me on my various social media platforms. I'm going to be leaving the links to the same below in the description box. As you saw in the video, if we all come together, and if we do our bit, we can really bring a change in this society. We can really help the needy, and that is what we have successfully done so far. But we need your support constantly at Upasana Society NGO, and we believe in. As you saw in the video, how if all of us get together and do our bit for the society, we can really bring a change in the society. We can really create a positive impact and spread some positivity during such crisis. And we at Upasana Society believe in making a difference one step at a time. So let's do it. Let's spread this further. And in case if you want to contribute for this particular campaign, for this particular charity, we have also started a fundraiser. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box for the same. And if you want to see the progress of this particular campaign apart from YouTube, you can follow me on my other social media platforms and see the snippets for. We have also started a fundraiser. In case you want to donate for this particular campaign, we have also started a fundraiser. Even if your friends or family or your relatives are somewhere abroad and they want to support the people here, you can do so through that fundraiser. And I will be leaving the link to the same in the description box. You can also follow me on other social media platforms. I'll be leaving the link for the same in the description. You can also follow me on other social media platforms. The links are below in the description box. Thank you so much once again, guys. Please stay at home, stay safe, and we will all be able to fight this together. Thank you so much once again for all your support, guys. Please stay at home, stay safe with your loved ones, and we will soon be able to fight this over. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. And please stay at home, please stay safe with your loved ones. And that's about it. Bye bye. Have a nice time.